video.
I'm videotaping right now.
He's videoing, so. He's videotaping, so go.
Alright, who's going in?
Like a witch when she got out of the car.
Huh?
I mean, it looked like a witch when she got out of the car.
You didn't see her get out of the car.
She's in the red Infiniti.
No, that wasn't her.
No, it's not her.
The red
It's not
Infiniti
her,
was
Mom.
a couple.
You're wrong. That's not her.
And she's with a guy right there.
No,
Yeah,
she's
that's not
not.
her.
That's not her.
Oh, that's not. Oh, there was another lady, the one who walked up the steps.
The-
Did she leave?
She was wearing spandex pants. It's not her.
Move over so we can videotape. Please.
I want
Go,
to
Ryan!
Ryan's not.
Ryan doesn't have any fear of anything. He doesn't even.
He said he's not going to feel how cold it is, so he's not afraid.
Oh, God. I hope it's not as dry. No drought. I don't blame him. If it was 80 degrees and sunny, I would do it. Look at the sun now.
Looks like a moon.
Full, right?